Amaqembu ombusazwe athi ashaqekile ngokucindezela kweintatheli station sethelevishini iENCA. Lokhu kulandela ukujikijelana ngamazwi kuTwitter phakathi kube inhloko yeindaba iENCA uKenton Pillay kanye netatheli uSamkele Maseko. uPillay uxoshwe yesiteshi namhlanje emini ngokubiza uMaseko ngegundwane wabiza neSABC ngomkhumbi ozikayo.
uSamkele Maseko wasola inhloko yezindaba iENCA uKenton Pillay ngokuxambukela emsebenzini wezintatheli zalomsakazo nokukhipha inyombazana amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe nokumisa emsebenzini enye futhi intatheli yalomsakazo uKhayelihle Khumalo nosebuyiselwe emsebenzini. Yena ke wayemisela ukubhala ku Twitter ngokwenzeka engqungqutheleni yeEFF yangempela sonto esiphuma kuyo. Iqembu elibusayo likwemukela ukuxoshwa kukaPillay kwaENCA kepha lifuna ukuthi athathelwe izinyathelo ezinqala.
We're actually welcoming the stand taken by the ENCA to release Mr. Pillay from his position. But this does not stop the Human Rights Commission from doing work to establish whether these incidences that we saw are just isolated or they are deeply entrenched, because some of them are appearing like a culture.
iANC ithi kufanele ihlonishwe inkululeko yabezindaba.
The ANC fought for press freedom. The expectation is that yourselves in the media must exercise this press freedom with a maximum measure of responsibility. It doesn't mean that you are exonerated or excluded from the laws of the Republic. There is no one in this country who has got the right to refer to another human soul as a rat.
Kephi Kosathu ayeneme ngokwenzeke iENCA.
The fact that Mr. Pillay went as far as calling someone a rat. I mean, a rat has got serious connotations. If you look at how the name has been used in many occasions, it means that it is something that is being hidden from the public, that is done at ENCA, that anyone who goes out and spills it out into the public platform is regarded as a sellout.
Imizamo yethu yokuthola ukuphawula kweDA ngalolu daba ibe yizeleze.